Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I was inspired by the rice paper dumpling I keep seeing on Instagram and TikTok. I took that and made an egg roll filling instead. This is covered in the rice paper and fried. This one I just made into patties on their own, so it's just the rice paper filling. And in the next clips, I'll show you how I put that together. Here are the ingredients I use to season my egg roll filling. I am using a ground pork. I have dry seasoning and fresh aromatics. So I have some garlic and ginger. I'll probably use equal amount of ginger that I have garlic here. I also have powdered onion, garlic, ginger, and some white pepper. I have some mushroom seasoning, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of soy sauce and oyster sauce, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this onion. I'll show you how I use that. But this is the seasoning and flavoring that I put into the meat with an egg in there as well. Once that's all combined, I'm going to grate a carrot and rehydrate these mung bean. These are bean vermicelli noodles. They come in a pack like this. This is what I typically use. Someone gave me these. So it's mung bean vermicelli, and I just use one bundle of that. And then I also have wood ear or dried black fungus sliced. It comes in a pack like this. So the noodles and the wood ear mushrooms have to be rehydrated with some hot water, and that will be added also. I put them in measuring cups like this for my safety because the water's going to be very hot. So when I move this around my kitchen, I have it in these measuring cups. They can withstand boiling water, so it's totally safe. Safety first, especially with a toddler around. But I'm just going to cover these in hot water. The mushrooms I want to cover almost by double the amount because they will expand as they rehydrate. And the noodles, I just kind of just barely cover them. And I'm gonna let these soak while I prepare all of the other ingredients. To prep the vegetables, I have the onion. You need a tablespoon of onion pulp. So these, you want them to be the same size as the mushrooms and the noodles. So for that, I use a box grater, this whole size. You want about half a cup. I have about a cup, which is fine. I want to add more vegetables. And now for the onion, you want to use like the smallest. This might be a little too small. You want to use this small. Okay, but basically that's what you want from the onion, and you want about a tablespoon amount. Normally, egg roll filling is not made into a paste the way that I'm going to do. I'm experimenting. I'm combining it with the egg roll flavors because I haven't had egg rolls in a very long time, and I have been craving them. It's been years since I've had them. So to do that, I'm going to add the pork into food processor. I added the mushroom seasoning, tablespoon of the sugar, the soy sauce and oyster sauce, one whole egg, and just a couple cloves of fresh garlic. I'm not going to do the fresh ginger in this one. We'll just see how this goes. I think I have plenty of seasonings in here. All right, so I'm gonna process that until it is a paste. It just took about 20 seconds pulsing it to combine it all into a paste, just like this. To this I'm going to add that onion carrots. Add in the noodles. I drain them, rinse them with cold water, and then chop them to be the same size as the carrots. I removed all my jewelry because I don't have gloves right now, so I'm gonna have to use my hands. And basically you want to combine this all together evenly. This smells exactly how my mom used to make them. Once everything's combined, it looks like this. I'm gonna try this trick that I have seen, where I'm gonna take filling, spread it out in a tray. This tray is about a 1/2 inch thick, perfect for my rice paper dumpling. I just wanna spread it nice and even. Okay, I'm going to chill it just like this with the pre-cut squares. So when I make my rice paper, it will be a firm piece of meat mix so I can roll it easier in the rice paper. And this is perfect timing because I have to go pick up my toddler from preschool. So while this chills, it will be ready to cook when I get back. I just wet my roll with hot water. And there we have it. I'm just gonna let these sit for a few minutes to make sure they stick together. I've been taught that when the wooden chopstick is bubbling like this, that means the oil is ready. Here's the finished product. I am so excited. I made gluten-free egg rolls. I don't know why I never thought of this. I did try making them in rolls and it did not work out for me. And I think this way it was easier to cook. So I'm excited to try them. I also made them without the rice paper wrapping, and I just kind of fried them in patties. So if you're eating low carb and you want to have this with lettuce, that is perfect. But this is it. And then I have nukjam. I have a video I'll link to show you how to make this dipping sauce. If you don't like that sauce, you can have sweet chili. You can have sweet chili sauce like this for egg rolls. Because I want you to.
Can I try that?
No, that's spicy.
And that's spicy too, Mommy.
No, this is not spicy. For my son's bowl, I just cut one in half. So I think each patty can be like 2 pieces. So this made 12, like 24. I'm just gonna put some soy sauce for him. This kind of reminds me of the Vietnamese meatloaf that I used to have as a kid, and I will actually make that sometime because I haven't had it since I was a kid. Okay, ready? Okay, for mine, ooh, this part is really crispy.
Yeah, Mommy, that's so quickly, Mom.
I'm just going to take a lettuce wrap. Okay.
Okay.
I have my little roll.
Mm-hmm. Put it in there and eat it.
Mm-hmm.
And blueberry.
Mm-hmm.
My tummy getting bigger, bigger, bigger. My daddy.
Oh my God.
Water.
This is divine.
Yeah, that's fine.
I have been craving this for so long. I just haven't had egg rolls in so long. And now that I have a cooking channel, I'm dedicating to making as many things that I used to enjoy and try new things in a gluten-free way. And this is amazing. So there's our rice paper dumplings that actually turned out to be a gluten-free egg roll. I just fried them in little squares and then cut them in half. And they taste amazing. This is something I haven't had in so long. So I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and give a thumbs up.
And say bye too.
And say bye too. So we'll see you in the next video.
See you in next video too. That's so funny, Mommy.
All right, bye.